My name is Matthew Porter. I'm a sixth-generation farmer here in Maine. We decided to take a look a year ago at the 12-row planter. Our operation was running two 6-row planters, and labor seems to be becoming bigger and bigger concern for us on our farm, and we thought that it only made sense to make the jump. So we did it here in 2020 and had a terrific spring. The efficiencies going from two planters back to one gained us quite a few hours of planting. Looks like it was a great investment for our farm. So when we started in the field with the 12-row, our concern was the size. It is a large machine. I was pleasantly surprised as the operator how easy it was to maneuver. Turns very easily, faster than our 6 rows turned. What was really unique about it is the ability to plant any 3 rows with the planter, that we were able to actually gain acreage in a lot of our fields because we could trim those extra 3 rows in where they would fit, where we couldn't do that with our 6 rows. Fertility program is an adjustment for us. It actually freed up 3 men this spring for us as far as hauling dry fertilizer to our planters. We were able to have them do other jobs on the farm, and actually made our filling station a lot more convenient for our employees and a lot less stressful. So our planter is set up with 3 tank systems. Our larger tanks are for our 2x2 liquid fertilizer placement, and then we have 2 tanks on the front of the tractor. One is our fungicide spray for the seed piece, and the other is our pop-up fertilizer. With the width of the planter being 36 feet wide, one of our concerns was how it was going to contour to the ground as we were going across the field. We found that the wind control with the depth sensors was pretty much spot on all the time going across the field. Once we had it calibrated and adjusted to where we liked it, it was bulletproof in all of our terrain. So capacity-wise on the planter, we were able to plant approximately 20 acres per fill-up. And what this allowed us to do was, when we were finishing a farm, my crew could move the filling station to the next farm while I was still planting, and then I could move. And when I moved into the next farm and needed to fill, they were already set up and ready to fill me. So I didn't lose any time on any of our field changes. So a year ago, when we had 2 of these 12 rows come into Maine, our concern right up front was, with all the electronics, how hard was this going to be to get these set up? And this spring, we wanted to be in the field a week before we were going to really start planting, so that we had plenty of time to get this machine set up and calibrated correctly. And I would say we took the better part of the day to be cautious, but a couple hours on setup, and the machine was dialed in and where it needed to be.